How to unhide your files if you plug in the computer with hidden virus and your files was no longer visible on your screen. Open your Explorer, navigate your flash drive and remember your device volume or label. In my case I'm in volume F for drive F. Now open the Start menu, then type CMD, right-click and run as administrator. Type your device label, type attrib/s/d***. And hit enter, then wait until it finished. Then check if your file appears on your screen, not hidden anymore. Thanks for watching.